Anyways, let's get up Higgs field. And let's see. I want to really do the workshop, but like real quick, I'm just trying to figure out when is going to be. I know you like that picture, huh? Natasha saw the picture. I was like, what's going on in this room? Um, Pretty much, I'm just going to just redo a quick stand store setup. Of course, everyone monetize AI, how to make money AI, all that fun stuff. But look, simple. Link in bio. Just put something there. That's all you need. Turn my Bluetooth off. There we go. Cool. So I had. Let me just talk to ChatGPT real quick. I want to redo, not redo, but host a weekend introduction to AI workshop to get people introduced to AI and stuff. But I want to do it like introduction for entrepreneurs. I don't know if like the AI agents is like a selling point topic per se, or just introduction, because like I need to start everyone off systematically into different tiers. Basically, how do we do for our analytics? Analytics, what are we doing here? Everyone went for the 3 day, then everyone went for the 1 day. Community, just looking at analytics, and mostly from TikTok. Okay. 2% conversion. Yeah. I think the AI agent is too. If it's too advanced as like a topic, I want to like simplify it real quick. So let's go ChatGPT. Let's log in. Are we logged in? Oh, we are logged in. Nice. We got some VO3 stuff. This is just the first thing I need to get up and running because it works out. And then we could get into the fun VO3 stuff. Right now, we got to do the boring stuff. Hopefully, you guys should be able to hear me. What's up, Winston? I know we're doing boring stuff right now for a few seconds. Actually, probably just go into it. I was gonna set up a stand store product right now, but let's see. The videos and up are doing pretty good. Oh, we have a lot of like other stuff to repost too. Um, Shorts. So let's actually repost some of that content from last night. That's what we're gonna do for the first moment, and then we'll get into the rest of the stuff. Last night, these are doing. Oh, they're warming up. The music video is already hitting 1,000. That's not bad. That's doing pretty good. And it's also no, they're about the same because one has an ad and one other one doesn't. So it's interesting to see. And then our lemur videos didn't perform too well. Bummer. But I think we've got some good brain rot today. I know. Continue with the brain rot just for the fun. Just for fun, because these are doing really good. Okay, so let's upload some more brain rot right now. And let's get you guys. Because we stayed up last night, basically. Sorry, I gotta ruin the good, nice audio. There we go. Nice. Better titles will perform better. True, it is an SEO game. And I could probably. There's some other stuff. Because I know these didn't perform well too because they have promos at the end. And the promos do hit the conversion rate horribly. Like, so adding like the 5 second ad thing versus just doing just a raw video. I think just the raw video is enough to make it loopable because the couples adding the nonsense at the end of like, hey, buy the course basically is a hard sell. Like, that's not the game. So last night we've created a baby seal, a baby koala, a baby monkey, baby lamp, cute bunny, cute panda version 2, cute panda version 1. So we have we have some ammunition to fire today. So we have better things to improve. So, and I will show you guys these videos too. Because I know these. Okay, so let's take this. We're going to get these posted up. We have to use metrical. Wait a minute. Can I just... Hold on, we're going to try something. Can I drag and drop all of these? No, metrical is like, let me post 5 videos at the same time. That's useless. Metrical, you're useless. I really hate metrical. I need to break up with metrical. Okay, let's close this. And then I can show you guys the videos. We're just going to fire these out real quick. That way we get our blank posting of the day. So contestant number 1, we're going to work from the bottom down or bottom up, which Cute Panda is going to be the first one. If you haven't seen Cute Panda, congratulations. Meet Cute Panda. Wait, that's a lemur. That's obviously not a panda. I just trolled you guys unintentionally because I titled the wrong video. Okay, hold on. I think I titled the wrong videos. There's the panda. Perfect. And then he does all that stuff too. That's viral. So not all will be... Show you guys one more time. All done, VEO3, JSON prompt, one shot go. It took like 3 tries to get to the panda dancing, but we ended up getting there. So let's rack up some views. So let's SEO keyword this title. We're going to call this panda dancing viral short. Okay, and then we do need a, let's see, let's go to chat and let's just build something. You are an expert in writing very attention grabbing titles for short form content, and it's usually like 3 lines. It's like the hook or the title, and then you have a space, give it like a call to action, and then give me like 5 relevant hashtags, and that's your whole format. So I input an idea and you output, give me 5 variations on, and this is for short form content to put in the description. Doesn't that look cool? It looks super fancy, huh? Makes Coach K is like, ooh. Because then I don't have to type. You should not be typing. If you're typing, going do, time penalty. No typing. Use voice attacks. So we're going to build a little robot real quick. Yep, that looks good. Let me see. Yeah, let's test it out. Cute baby panda soap dispense dance. Cute baby dancing is like, yes. Okay, wait. Baby panda bus soap dance. Bus a soap dance? No, new rule. New rule. All titles must be translated for average Joe. No, let's say for drunk grandpa to understand. See if that does it. New rule. Okay, from now on, I'm going to give you some new ones. So, little panda go boom boom. Dance. Dance and sync. Watch, don't blink. He's a tiny superstar. These are fun. Can you write jokes? Write jokes as the second line. Punch line. Witty. Dad joke appropriate, and puns acceptable. Puns encouraged. New rule. We're basically building. We're in ChatGPT right now. If you guys are watching, and we're building a custom prompt generator because if we're gonna output content using VO3 and we got some good content, why not automate the process of like writing titles? Because Winston's like, "Yo, your titles suck," and I'm like, "Winston, you're 1,000% right. Let's use AI to fix this." Baby panda boogie in the sink. Soap bottle popped out panda. Tiny panda shakes and bundle. Wait, looks like he's working on his bear aerobics. These are stupid. But let's try them. Baby panda boogie in the sink. Guess what he's trying to soap stop? No. Soap bottle popped out a panda. Now that's what I call panda modium. Nope. Tiny panda shakes his tail. Looks like he's working on his bear aerobics. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's kind of like decent. Bathroom disco, no. Caught panda. Finally, a bare minimum cleaning effort. Oh, okay. That's cute. I like that. I approve of that. Let's see if we get witty for the people that want to read the comments. And then we'll just take this. I'm just going to stop posting on LinkedIn. LinkedIn, you don't get my business no more. But I need to post a reel. And I can't post on Facebook. I don't know why. Maybe a reel would do. Let's try it out. And then we're going to do shorts on that. There. Let's get the title. Not for kids. This is panda. Dancing panda. Cute panda. Yeah. Oh, sorry, you guys are. This is the fun stuff of SEO. Category really doesn't matter. Entertainment. I wonder if I actually categoried as entertainment. That's something different. Different to try. 16. Everything looks good. Send the panda off. The panda is going straight to the interweb right now. Boom. One out the gate. I like it. Dr. J, welcome. We are just posting content right now from last night. So let's duplicate this. Perfect. Let's delete the video and let's do our next video. Ooh, okay. So we did panda. We gotta do cute panda too. I think we have that one. But no, it can't have these. That's what we're like, no, we can't do that. So, what's this one? Bunny. Nice. Perfect. 10 out of 10. Okay, let's get Bunny up. This is going to be cute. Bunny dancing. Perfect. And now let's go to our custom writer. Cute bunny dancing on hand from soap dispenser. Now I don't have to write titles anymore. Bunny hops out soap dispenser. Guess what? I guess that's what you call hand soap. Don't get it. Tiny rabbit doing a jig on your palm. Nope. Foam bunny starts moonwalking. Nope. Baby bunny shaking it in the sink. There's some hair. Nope. Soapy bunny tap. Nope. These jokes suck. Do better on jokes. Do better on jokes. I can't go dark humor. I would so go dark humor, but that's not viral worthy. Soap bottle spits out a bunny. Talk about a foam party. Interesting. Tiny rabbit dancing in your palm. Guess he's trying to clean up his act. Cute. Soapy bunny burst moves in the sink. I guess he got some serious hairstyle. jokes suck. Baby bunny breakdancing on your hand. Foamy bunny dancing mid-wash. Now that's what I call soap and hop. That makes no sense. Your jokes make no sense. Your jokes make no sense. Now just be. Or into dad joke style. We gotta do better. AI is not giving us the jokes I want. A bunny just popped out of the soap dispenser. Bro, this bathroom got better nightlife than my city. Interesting. Tiny rabbit dancing on my head. Meanwhile, the real soap hasn't worked this hard in years. This is something there. Soapy bunny starts breakdancing, and people said washing your hands was boring. Oh, that's cute. Okay, that's cute. That's decent. Baby bunny grooving in the sink. Somebody calls security. He's stealing the show. Not bad. Foamy bunny dance, tap dance on my palm. If this doesn't go viral, I quit the internet. There. That's it. If this doesn't go viral, I quit the internet. What do you people want? What I hate. What if this doesn't amuse you? Oh, that's funny. Okay. Bunny. Oh, also your hashtags. New rule. New rule, your hashtags need to be like very common. None of this like novel hashtag nonsense. Now it's trying to like make up its own hashtags, and I'm like, those hashtags don't work. So get better on your hash. There we go. Cute animal, funny shorts. Cute bunny dance. Baby bunny. No, cute bunny. Cool. I think that looks pretty good. All right. And then we're gonna do. All right, I think that's pretty good. Let's publish this. 621. Do we have everything? Yeah, that's decent. And then it's like, take forever to load. Okay, that one's good. Cute Bunny does good. This one I think has the ad. I gotta remove all those, so those are just useless. Useless. Yeah, see how it adds the ad. So let's get rid of these guys. Off my file folder, because those won't perform if it has that. So here's our next one. New animal. A lamb. Creepy, right? Super creepy. This is what the internet's. This is the only thing that performs right now. Brain slop. Can we template this? I think so. Nice. Let's duplicate this. Sam Thompson's Law. Welcome back. We're just using AI video. I know we're generating slop, basically, but this stuff goes viral and gets attention, which is kind of wild. So it does really good for my ad account. So now we're going to remove this one. We're going to put up this one, which is a baby lamb soap dispenser. What else? Hey, Coach Jaja. We are just playing with some AI video. Pretty much. And then entertainment. Oh, yeah, this is a lamb. I know people are like, LAMB, cute LAMB. For everyone coming in, this is what we're pushing out a whole series of what we'll call soapy animals. Baby soap animals, I think, is a series, basically. Don't ask why. This stuff goes viral, and it does really well in YouTube virality. Not so much for TikTok. TikTok really doesn't care about this stuff. Nice. So using VO3 to generate these type of videos, and then we're posting them on all of the internet. Let's see. Right now I'm doing a lot of the boring stuff of SEO, I guess is like the boring stuff. Where VO3 lamb and that's everything. Oh, we gotta do a caption. This is now it's a lamb, a cute baby lamb. Something like that. Oh, I know. And then we created this tool that allows us to generate the SEO text. A lamb just popped out my soap dispenser. Great, now my bathroom doubles as a petting zoo. That's decent. Baby lamb dancing on my head. Guess I finally found soap that backed me up. Baby lamb dancing on my hand. Guess I finally found Foapy lamb shaking in the sink. And people said chores is entertainment. Little lamb breakdancing from the dispenser. At this point, I'm afraid to press the shampoo button. That's actually pretty dope. I kind of like that. Kind of like that second line. But I like it with lamb just popped out of my soap dispenser. And then we can get some hashtags related to animal. I think we could win on some of the hashtags. There we go. No, related to lambs. Just give me 10 related to lambs. That works. Nice. Let's try that. And then once these are finished posting, then I'll go into making more, basically, for tomorrow. So right now we're just kind of clearing the chamber, as they say. Getting these out. This is a lamb, cute baby lamb. VO3. Okay. And you just don't know what works until you post. And I think that's good. Okay, cute baby lamb is up. Digital King, what's up? Welcome to the chat. We are posting AI video content that we generated last night, and we have 4 more videos that we got to post. I really wish there was a better way to like posting these. Basically, here's the next one. Oh, nothing. Okay, we did that one. Delete that one. There's nothing there. Let's try this one. Baby monkey. 10 out of 10. Perfect. I don't know why he's got like 2 hands, but not bad. So this one's going to be baby monkey soap dispenser. Okay. New post. Baby monkey soap dispenser. Go high level is trash. I know. Unpopular opinion. I don't like Go High Level right now. It works and it does all this stuff, but it's so bloated. And it's like, oh, I just don't like it right now. A monkey just popped out of the soap dispenser. Guess even the soap's gone bananas. Tiny monkey dancing in my hand. This is the cleanest prank I've ever seen. No. Soap baby monkey shaking in the sink. Suddenly washing my hands feels like a party. Not bad. Monkey busting moves from the dispenser. Now I know where the phrase monkey business comes from. Little monkey dancing in my palm. Bro, this soap deserves a standing ovation. These are so cheesy. I'll just do this one because it's just simple, fun. I'm not trying to win any awards here. Monkey, cute animals, baby animals. Sure, 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 sure. So, I think we could do a better headline though. Pops out of the soap dispenser. Yeah. Why not tell them it's coming? Okay, and then these are going to be VO3, VO3, monkey. Nope, baby monkey. Are you posting on X? Yeah, I posted on X, but I don't get any attention or like X and LinkedIn are like the worst, most unprofitable channels for me. They work for other people, but not for me. Instagram is okay. It actually goes TikTok first, YouTube second, Facebook third. If you really want to like 80-20 where your effort is, basically. There's a ton of attention, and I'm just not like I can't do X. Like my stuff posts there, but I don't get any attention there. Choosing a platform is going to become very important coming soon. Anyways, let's see. Wash my hands. Cute. Do. Yeah, that's good enough. Let's post this. All right, now it's posting. Nice. Okay, next one. And then we're going to create some more stuff. I have some really good ideas. Koala. Perfect. Nice. Okay, here, and then we can duplicate any of these. Duplicate. Nice. Remove the video. Upload. Koala. Now it's a baby koala. Albert's coming to the chat. What's up? Welcome. Is that app metric site for free? No, it's about $29 a month, give or take. There are better ones, for example. Ooh, yeah, I had a bear. Ooh, sorry to hear about that, Digital King. Send you lots of blessings to your family and prayers. Sorry about that. Alberto, come on. Actually, out of the out of the dishwasher is not bad. Dance a lamb jumped out of your dishwasher is actually not bad. Right now we're just a koala popped out of my soap dispenser. Finally a bathroom buddy that won't leave. Now I gotta go buy eucalyptus soap. That's nope. I like that. Yeah, these are super cheesy. Super cheesy. And VO3, cute animals, baby koala. Okay, and then let's put this as the title. And we're gonna put some SEO titles here. So this is koala, baby koala. Okay, and then posts. It's like we're gonna post literally the next minute. Like literally post. We're literally posting these right now. That was on your screen. Oh yeah, it's coming out of a soap dispenser. Did you make these or you found them? I found the idea and then I cloned them using VO3. So now I'm like remixing and creating my own series. Someone else created them and they're already going. So basically the soap, let's say whatever, let's call this one for example. This whole series is on Instagram and some of the videos are doing like 5 million views. So I'm like, if this video is doing 5 million views, why not model it? So I replicated it using VO3, and now since I have the VO3 prompt, we're just changing out the animal. We did, if you guys want to get like super nerdy with it, I've already posted a baby cat and a baby dog, and they're doing really well as far as analytics. To kind of show you like Let's go down. Yeah, there's cute baby puppy. So there's baby puppy. Got 35,000 views. If I say in like 3 days, basically. Um, and then I get all my research from like Instagram, basically. These videos that do really well on Instagram and YouTube, but they don't do well on TikTok. Um, so these two are the first tests. Bubble Cat was the first test that both learned how to do AI video and then also how to clone viral videos, basically. And that one is doing. Look at that, both of them, and they're basically the same thing. That's 40,000 views across those two videos. So, and they're on the 24th. So these were all I just started recently, and what it's doing for like my SEO, basically all my analytics within the last 3 days were like flatline, and then you see this 30x jump in like analytics. It's pretty insane. So that's why I think I got a really good formula on how to model or how to create viral videos. So that is basically what we're doing today in my topic kind of thing. So, and if you guys want to learn how, definitely, what's the best way? I think I'm going to do a workshop on this coming up soon. So stay tuned. We just had a workshop for this. Actually, better yet, join the AI community, because in the community we just did a workshop on this yesterday, and that's in the community as well too. Speaking of which, no, it's fine. Now, okay, I have one more to do, and then we could create some more. Have some new ones. What animal is this one? Perfect. Baby seal. Who doesn't love a baby seal? Come on now. Come on now. If you don't love a baby seal. Okay, next one. This is going to be. So now we'll get the SEO. Cute baby seal from Soap Dispenser. Cool. And that's going to give us the SEO. While that gives us the SEO, we're going to duplicate one of these guys. And we're going to duplicate. And this is baby seal, and we're gonna add that here and remove this, and we're gonna get our SEO. Cute baby seal slid out my soap dispenser, bro. My sink just turned into seal wool. Decent. I guess I finally found a bar soap that seals the deal. Ooh, that's witty. Soapy seal dancing and saying washing up, just got a standing ovation. Nah, some people get foamed, I get flippers. Who needs bubbles when you got blubber? That's cute. Finally found a bar of soap that seals the deal. That's silly, but I like it. Okay, let's do this. Tiny seal appears in my hand, basically. And then here we're going to do baby seal. Surprisingly, we couldn't render elephants. That was a very interesting thing. We tried to render elephants to do this series. VEO3 refused to do elephants in this series. If you guys know why, tell me. This is all VEO3. And then I'm on paid ChatGPT and paid VEO3, basically. Nice. And that's all I'm using is like VEO3, Higgs fields, and ChatGPT, and then Cider. Sometimes Cider for just like rewriting stuff. And then this is metrical. I don't recommend metrical. Do not recommend metrical. I'm just waiting for this subscription to end. Don't buy annual stuff too. Always buy monthly. So now we're gonna do 38 and schedule this. Okay, so now we've posted 6 videos in 1 year. Never by a year. The only thing like for the not buying annual is only for like non-AI stuff. Like that's like your Notion, TickTick, Alfred, Um, those stuff are like not going to change. You're going to need those throughout the whole year. How do you come up with your concepts? I don't. I'm not original. As a digital marketer, not by trade, but just by as a marketing nerd, one of the rules in digital marketing is don't be original. Being original is very costly, expensive, both time and money, basically. He emulates. Thank you, Digital King. We emulate here. And I'm going to show you guys how to emulate too. Because we just finished posting 6 pieces of content, so we're done. So we're going to fill and create the next batch right now in the next hour. So welcome to my series, AI Video. My name is Dr. AI. I'm going to teach you guys how to create AI video and create viral videos like this so that you can get a flood of eyeballs and attention on your website, your offers, your business, because it's all about the views. Oh, well, it's more of the skill set. And if you're going to learn a skill set, might as well have it actually pay off, per se. So call it the emulation revolution, the copy paste revolution. Don't ever say the copy paste. Emulation revolution. Let's get started. So it all starts with research. Surprisingly, the most boring thing. What do you offer on a channel like this? So if you want to learn, go deeper on any AI tool, quick plug, who we sponsored by? Me, Simple Tech Skills, Dr. AI. So I have Dr. AI Academy, where basically it's a community of entrepreneurs where we're the only community that literally meets 5 days a week of live. These are live workshops, and we just launched this new schedule. So next Tuesday, we go over a live workshop class on how to do monetization. Then Wednesday, we go over image and video tools, and we cycle through like whatever are the best tools right now. So right now we're doing like VEO3, we're doing Higgsfield, stuff like that. Thursdays we're doing how to build apps and automation. So if you want to build, learning how to build an app is so easy, and it's such a valuable skill set that like coming in, all these things are, think of these like multi-tools. These things are just skill sets that basically now you can literally, you can move what would take people weeks and months of work, you could do effortlessly with one AI tool. Like, so it's like truly makes you superhuman. Fridays are GenSpark Academy days. We're going to go deep into GenSpark, basically. Like, it's a 4-week program where basically we'll start you. That way you're at least using the best AI tool out there. And then Saturday is catch up. Actually last Saturday, which was yesterday, we did a 2-hour VEO3 workshop, so all the members got it. And yeah, Digital King is right. It's not only you need this to like keep your job, it's like you're gonna need this to have a job, keep a job, start a business, grow a business. No matter what, the difference is someone who goes through and learns AI skills, like, and we actually, if we talk about AI video for a second, let me show you something, an interesting fact. This will be a fun little chart. Because when I did the VEO3 course, I was like, how cheap is VEO3 or these AI video tools compared to other ones? This is the workbook. This is the presentation. I just want to show you one slide from here. What's the cost? Let's see, let's go. Here we go. This is such a great slide. What is the cost of AI video production when compared to a Hollywood film or a marketing agency that you're going to hire to create a commercial ad for a small business, basically? This doesn't count for content. Like if you're doing content, like public, like pushing out consistent content every single day and every single week, AI is not like, it's expensive. It's not expensive. Well, it's expensive relative to being a content creator or hiring a content or an influencer, basically. So you are looking at a Hollywood film. This is cost per minute of film. So cost per minute of a Hollywood film is about $1 million per minute. Then you have a marketing agency, which is for the same minute going to charge you $10,000 to $25,000 for a video. And then you have a VEO3 video, because of the mistakes, and you're going to go through like limitations with VEO3. There are some nuances with it. Like you're going to, for every shot, you're going to generate like twice as much waste just like to try and dial in the shot, but you could get it, but it's still going to be roughly cheaper per minute of produced content, basically. So When compared to a marketing agency or Hollywood film, someone with VO3 skills can produce at the same level for a fraction of the cost. So that was basically just the power of how affordable AI video is right now. And so, yeah, this is can I work in sales for you? I do. I need to do better at my sales. But we do technically, let's put it this way. If you're a member inside the community, we do have an affiliate program. You have to be a member, and then for every person that you enroll into the community, granted, membership price starts at $97 a month, uh, and it increases every 50 members. You get 50% as an affiliate, both for life that either you or that member are a member, basically. So as long as you're both members, you get 50% of the monthly recurring membership every single month. That is, if you're in the community, if you search affiliate, you'll see the program. So basically, if I log in, this is, because I know Digital King's in there. So when you're logged in, the easiest way is to just search, because we literally have so much content. It's kind of insane. If you search affiliate and then go to lessons, you'll see affiliate program here. I do need to update this because it's no longer 20%. We now offer 50% as an affiliate program for every member that you sign up to the community, regardless of if they buy the monthly plan at $97 or the annual plan. I think the annual is like $697. Prices go up every 50 members, and why not get rewarded for bringing awesome people into the community where we could grow? So but you have to be a member. Join, sign up. There's a form right there, and then once you approve the form, I think it's like 24 hours your account's activated, and then you get a special link. Anywhere you share that link as an affiliate, you get 50%. So what's 97 divided by 2? You get $48 every single month for every single member that you sign up in perpetuity, that either you or them stay a member. Isn't that wild? That's actually better than Go High Level. So all you Go High Level affiliates, drop Go High Level. Promote Dr. AI Academy. You'll get paid more. So that's something there. And then for the people that join, you get a ton of value. We literally offer 20 days a week of live workshops. We're the only AI community in the world that offers that. 5 days. So not course. You're not coming in for courses and get stuck in a community and only meet like twice a week. No, you're going to get hands-on Tuesday through Saturday with workshops every single week. And every week they progress. And then they reset every month so that new people come in could get like up to speed as quick too. So you still have an issue with Circle? I shouldn't. We're having people enroll every single day, so I don't think Circle's having an issue yet. But if you're having an issue checking in, you can't get in. Are you trying to log in, King? The easiest thing I also put this, if you go to my link in bio, if you click on that little link right there, I know I didn't announce it anywhere, but if you click on that link, that's the login link. This will get you to log into the community. I know I don't promote, or it's a little hard for people to kind of get back in, but because I don't like having the button right there too. I've not been since the first day. Send me an email with the email you used, King, because that way I could double check everything and then send you access. But easiest way is if you have access, and then you could just click this link and you could just password reset and just reset your password as well too, and that will get you in. Sweet. So that's the AI community, and we're eventually, we already have it. We have the certification program. Let's spend 2 seconds on this. If you want to become a certified AI consultant in 90 days, what does that mean? Basically, there's going to be more and more demand for people that actually have expertise and skill set in AI. So we put together a 3-month program. Megan, good to see you, Megan. I got cursed out. What? Okay, yes, funeral husband MS. King, we'll talk about that inside the community. That'd be better. Nice. Hi, Megan. Missy Megan. So here we're talking about the certification program, where basically in 3 months, we need to get you upskilled in AI. So with week 1 and 2, we're going to go through GenSpark. Week 3 and 4, we're going to get you into custom GPTs and AI agents. week 5 and 6, we're going to teach you how to automate and streamline your content. AI video, HeyGen 11 Labs. I think we're going to put VO3 in there too. Then 7 and 8, you have business automation, Zapier, AI app building. I think we're going to get you in base 44 for that program. And then after that, month 3, now we got to teach you how to set up your social media profile, set up your online store. And then the last 2 weeks is content. How to do marketing, how to get your name out there, build a YouTube channel, build an Instagram channel, how to do live streams, and so much more. So that's the whole 3-month program to get you set up. And we're going to go through the best AI tools there. That way you can walk into any business and leverage your AI skills to change them. So that's the consultant program. That's there. And now we could get back to AI video. So with this, we can, now we're going to create some new videos. And I think we're going to do some new styles. So with that, everything starts with inspiration or research, more or less. Cool. With this, you should start off, you can use Notion, you can use any tool basically. You need a database of research. So as I scroll, I just gather research on basically viral videos. I know some of these videos here have millions and millions of views. I'm trying to find the email for when you sign up. Oh, super easy. Just easiest way is just email me. Or if you reply to that email, I just need to know what email you signed up for, and I could just reset. This video got 7 million plays. So that's what I'm doing. First, I'm doing research, and I'm only saving videos that have like 1 million or more views. I'm not touching anything that's like less than 1 million, basically. And, oh, this is so cute. It's AI though. I love how people are debating. Is this AI? Do you guys think this is AI? There's getting, oh, look at this got Digital King. Let's take a look real quick. Want to get you in. All right, hold on. We're going to get Digital King in the community real quick. I know. And then this video got 10 million likes. That's likes. That's not even plays. So that's why we're going to use AI to create something like this. That's going to be the goal. And then let me look at... I'm just looking for Dr. or King's email. AI... oh, there you are. Yep, you're in. And then, okay, cool. So I will send you an email with the login and just do password reset. So that way you could get in and start using the community. So 1 second. Just send Dr. or was it Digital King? I'm sending you your login link to log in. So here. You're seeing customer service in real time. Oh, that's not there. So I want the login here. There we go. There we go. Yep, that's it. So let me copy that link address. Okay, cool. Check your email, Dr. King. I sent you, or Digital King. I sent you a link to get logged in. And then for everyone, I need to actually replace that here. Actually, I actually will replace that. Well, I'll do it later. Okay, so back to our video. Got it. Nice. Yep, use that. You could use password reset, and you're in. Okay, because I do see your account, so you're golden. All right, so we're gonna try and replicate this one. I think it's, yeah, very easy. Let's see. So we're going to use. I don't need that right now. That's the community. Let's get out. I'm gonna get a custom GPT. That's gonna help with the prompts. I gotta work on my own. VEO3. There we go. Okay. So we're gonna say you're an expert prompt engineer. I want you to reverse engineer the photos and elements in the attached screenshots frame by frame, and I want you to update the JSON below for the video animation to replicate the video, and then also to add any additional JSON details from the images into the JSON file, and then also describe the scene matching the frames. Good enough. Now we'll just kind of go through real quick. Actually, I'm gonna use GenSpark to actually get the video. Must be my country, the circle, and finding it. Interesting. I hope you don't need a VPN. I don't think you should need a VPN. Nice. So now, let's use, yeah, we're gonna use GenSpark. GenSpark has a feature called download, where it will download a video. Just because I kind of want it without that big old play button in the middle, basically. That's all. So we're gonna let this download. Nice. And now that it downloaded, there's our video. Nice. You'll get in, Digital King. Okay, so now, oh, nice, 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 nice. This is perfect. Oh, but can I download even better? Because now I don't have the play button. You should be okay. This is okay. We're going to, where's the, what I really want is, dang, try downloading one more time. This file contains some which isn't compatible with QuickTime, but it's MP4. Okay, let's open it with VLC. And I need to get some water real quick, so hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Okay. Ooh, I don't know if my Chinese place is open too. Yes, had to go into your link in the main site, now circle. I was gonna say VLC. Yeah, VLC always opens up the videos perfectly, so okay, cool. Let's see, play. Perfect. Oh, but I don't. Can I not have? Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this off screen to make it easier. And now this is, let's do this. So now I'm just gonna move through the different shots, screenshot one at a time. I know this is like the boring part, but basically we're just going through frame by frame. Perfect. Okay, almost there. I know this is like the most boringest part, but you gotta have reference images is the main thing. Reference images. Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now we're gonna get Jason. Jason. Like I'm in a loop. It redirects you. Is it Bermuda? Is it because you're in Bermuda? Maybe a VPN. If it's giving, because that link should get you access to the community. Let's see. Let me send. Double check what I sent. Yeah, that's the community link. Because when you click it, just click password reset, Digital King. Just click password reset and you'll be good. I wonder why ChatGPT gave me this image right here. I'm like, okay, so now it's kind of going through all the roof. So it looked at the images, gave me no total. What the? What is this? No, I want the JSON to actually describe the elements, not these XYZ coordinates positions. This is nonsense. Like you should actually be describing for a VEO3 video generator to generate the 8-second video basically, and then describes the whole video basically shot by shot. So you got maybe like 4 or 5 timestamps that you could give it to describe the scenes, and then you want to just describe visually what that video, where basically the babies are on the bed, the dog comes on the bed with his baby puppy, he lays down his baby puppy next to the 2 babies, and then falls asleep next to the baby puppy and the babies peacefully. It looks like a security camera. That's basically the whole thing in 8 seconds. ChatGPT is becoming useless. Like, I'll say it here. I'm kind of fed up with ChatGPT on how utterly useless it's like getting. And then Digital King, it's looping you around, like looping you. Yeah, the madness, but I have GenSpark, and GenSpark does really good. It's just that GenSpark isn't short. That's the only downside. Oh, it's labeling the characters. Good. Monochrome, so it's labeling the scene. Audio. There's no audio. Well, we'll leave that actually. No music. Timing. There we go. Timing shots. That looks right. Camera motion. End card null. Okay, just remove the end card variable. Also, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just do that one thing. Now, VEO3 does really good with JSON. Like, that's where most people are like missing out. Is like, oops, flow. We're actually probably, well, actually, wait. I have a ton of VEO3 credits in GenSpark. Let's burn a ton of those right now. Video, because every video is like, I think 450 credits, something like that. Don't quote me on it. We'll find out right now. There's the JSON. Don't auto prompt me. Give me my full 5 to 10 seconds. Make it vertical. Oh no, this is 16 by 9, so this is horizontal. You're doing image to video. We're doing VO3 fast, because this one must be quality. So this is the fast one. The fast one is cheaper. And I'm starting off with 66269. 66269. Let's write that down somewhere. 66269. 66269 minus. Okay, because we're going to see how many credits this burns. We want to be a little scientific. Okay, we'll let this puppy cook, literally. Yeah, ChatGPT is becoming very, very useless. So nice. We are. Congratulations, everyone. We're finally creating AI videos inspired from viral videos online. Have I tried, is it Manus that you're talking about? Digital King? HRM. I don't know what HRM is. Always down to learn new things. Ooh. A company in Singapore, Sapient Intelligence. Sorry, my throat is. Claims to have created a new AI algorithm that will make LLMs like OpenAI and Gemini look like an imposter. It's called HRM. There's only 27 million parameters. Have you read the paper? They trained it on test data. Makes you doubt the results. I love Reddit. Reddit is so savage. If you're also hyping it up, why don't you run some tests with it and post an opinion? Ooh, savage. This is not me. This is the comments. I'm down to play with it. Like, where can I play with it? Like, I will put it through its boundaries. Right now, like, just so everyone knows, is it Dream? What's the new AI model Winston introduced? Dreamina. It's on GitHub. Oh, Digital King, you're advanced if you're on GitHub. Dreamina. This is supposed to be like a VO3 video killer, basically. I think it's also cheaper too. So after we burn through some credits there, can we do? I want to do video. VO3. Oh, this kills me though. I hate this about Dreamina. It's only 100 characters for like, or less than 1,000 characters. You know how long my JSON stuff is? Like, that's annoying. But GenSpark should be done right now. So, oh snap! Check it out. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Did we nail it on the first shot? Did we just nail it on the first shot? Money. Perfect. Okay, cool. So we nailed it on the first shot. Congratulations, you guys just watched a masterclass on VO3. They charge you thousands or hundreds of dollars to teach you VO3. Congratulations, you just saw my whole workflow. Ta-da. Thanks for showing up. I appreciate the views. But yeah, that's so now, but it doesn't. I'm kidnapping you. It's not done unless it's published. So we got to finish the last step. We're gonna publish it. So we're gonna go download. We're going to go to Canva and bring you to Bermuda. We may have an AI workshop in Bermuda, Digital King. I'm down. I'm literally down to fly and travel and give AI workshops. So you remember the community. So let's get your Bermuda community level up. Because if you start showing them this stuff, I encourage you, Digital King, that you're in the community. I encourage you that you have all my courses, my workshops, my tutorials and stuff like that. That's what I really want to do is like honestly empower each in person to become just like really skilled with AI. So you could go and teach it in your community. You guys could teach workshops, make some good money. Cause I honestly like, let's be honest, they're not going to, we charge $2,000 for a workshop. Digital King, you're making me sad that I undercharge for what I do. Digital King. Do we need to do a $2,000 AI workshop? That would be really fun per person. Oh, wait, Digital King. I'm gonna give you a calendar link. I'm gonna send it to your email right now too. Hold on 1 second, and let's do a one-on-one call. I'm gonna send you a TidyCal link right now. That way we could do a Zoom call, and let's talk. Because you're already in the community, so I can start giving you resources, which is dope. So let me give you this one. Nice. And then I'm gonna send it to your email. I can learn more about your AI goals and share resources to help. Although if you're charging, okay, wait, hold on. Boom. Okay, so Digital King, check your email. I just sent you an email for a one-on-one, so we could hop on a Zoom call, and we could definitely talk more. 1,000%. 1,000%. 1,000%. I'm looking at all your comments. I think we're doing a price. Yeah, yeah. Because that's so much. Stop showing my secret tool, GenSpark. Can't stop me now. It's like I know. It's like we can't let them know about how powerful. If you guys are watching the stream, you guys literally are watching the most cutting edge AI show right now. You're learning from Dr. AI. And Dr. AI. It's like I got you, yo. Same, Dr. King. Or I don't know why I'm finding Digital King. Well, definitely. I'm looking forward to our one-on-one. Because once you're in the community, I could give you dope resources. I'm down. And I could, next thing you know, we're doing episodes in Bermuda. Dude, scuba diving in Bermuda, I hear is really dope. I'm actually scuba certified. Scuba Steve. Oh, let's finish posting our viral videos. And I appreciate all the opportunities and insights, everything. Because we're here to share. All learn AI. That's the whole goal for everyone that's on this call. We're all learning AI so that we can help each other level up. And so I'm showing you guys the secret sauce. So the way, because basically what I'm doing is I need a custom size, and then I need for video. So show me video, show me mobile, this. Cool. Hey, Sleepwalker. Sleepwalker's on YouTube. Hi, welcome. Ask any of your AI questions. We're replicating the viral AI videos. So if you're here, take notes. Welcome. I'm teaching you how to create viral AI videos. I should probably put that in the title. How to create viral AI videos. Cool. There we go. There you go. A little title thing. Oh, we getting fancy. I changed my name. We do some work in the scuba company and charge them to go drive scuba diving. Like, psh. Now we're talking, Digital King. Digital King, I think we're gonna become best friends. Come to one of the meetings. If you could attend some of the meetings, like anything from Tuesday through Saturday, like I want to connect you with the community members. You'll really love the community members. Okay, so we are finishing our viral video. And we got to, the goal is it has to look exactly like the original or else it doesn't count. That's how good, like this is a challenge. So how close you get it is will determine your grade. A+ if it's like 1 for 1 and you cloned it on your own. B- if it's like good but like missing kind of stuff. So that's why we're trying to like pixel perfect. We will have a meeting in the morning. Nice. Yeah. That's how you get on my calendar. See if people participate, they share, they grow. I love it. Okay, so we need this to be black, the background. Boom. Let me zoom in for you guys could kind of see what we're creating here. Nice. He's like, it's 2 a.m. I know. It's usually when I live stream the latest out of all the people because I'm a night owl. And then I get all the people in UK, Australia, Bermuda, which is so dope. Because then I unlock a whole new international audience, which I love. Like, because honestly, I want to move. Let's do this. Oh, wait, no. Then we add a title. they have a title right here. Cutest thing I've ever seen. And then they have a water eyes crying emoji. Yeah, this one. And then it's white text color. Wait. There we go. White text color. Okay, coolest thing I've ever seen. Okay. It's much smaller, so let's zoom in here. That's about right there. It's about right there. Yeah, that's very good. And then we're gonna center that. Okay. And then we should brand it too, because they're branding theirs. So, it's gonna give it away, but whatever, doesn't matter. We'll do this. Oops. No one here has their skills. I appreciate that. Dr. AI is going on tour to teach AI workshops around the world to level you guys up. If you guys ever seen, like, there's like, oh shoot, hold on. There's like Porsches that get modified by this one guy that he literally flies around the world to like modify just these Porsches. That's kind of what I want to do, but just teach AI. Like travel around the world and just teach AI workshops. Oh wait, let's see. We need this. Oops, that was the thing we needed. Delete this guy. This. I'll move this up here. Doctor. Let's see. Oh wait, this is going to be make this a little brighter. I'll open another company tomorrow. No worries. I'll get you a work permit. No one has their skills. You don't have to travel. Make them fly here. Dr. King or Dr. AI. Was it? No, it's Digital King. Sorry. Sleepwalker says, thanks for making me feel welcome. Great to see that I have an impact on your life already. Cool title. Welcome, Sleepwalker. Come learn AI. At the end of the day, I want you guys to learn pretty much like what's possible with AI. DOCH, Dr. AI. That way you can really take advantage of what's available, because you can literally create whatever you want. I guess I'm going to put a hummingbird. We'll just pick this one. You can't change the color. We need a hummingbird that you can change the color. This one. Yeah, simple. Let's make you gold. If you guys know my backstory with the hummingbird, you guys are in the advanced level. Ah, okay. Nice. I like that. I like the way you're thinking, Digital King. Okay, let's play our video. Oops. That looks good. Cool. Wait, what was that sound at the end? I don't like that sound. What is that glitch? There's that glitch sound. Hold on. Can we see the audio file? Actually, I could clean it up in post-production. Post-production! Now we're getting super advanced. Now I gotta show you. I'm gonna show you CapCut. Looks so real, right? If it wasn't for Dr. AI at the top, you would never know. So, it's gonna give it away. But then I want quick people to question what is real anymore. You're only 90 minutes from the USA. That's like short. Jeff. Okay, we're gonna go just a CapCut real quick. Nice. New version? No, not right now. I don't want a new version. I want the OG version. Here, we're just gonna pop it in to clean out that audio pop at the end. Look at that audio spike. I don't know what that audio spike is. We're gonna separate the audio or extract the audio. That right there. What is that guy right there? We're just gonna go boop, boop, delete. That way. That's it. Because that pop would have been super annoying. So now let's just export this. Do I have? Okay, let's. I do have a hypothesis that if you SEO the title, I think it does good. I don't know. So now let's take a look at our final video, and we just finished it in about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. Okay, so now this is our final video. Perfect. Oh, wait. He doesn't fall asleep next to them. That's okay. He should fall asleep, but that's okay. The other one is 7 seconds too. That's okay. That's good enough. Okay, because we're gonna move on to other ones. Because we're gonna test it basically. That's what basically the main thing we need to do is we need to test it. How to cut 40 hours of per Dr. A. Yo, I could cut 20 hours per week easily. Just to, if you, I mean, if you, it's pretty much all the training in the community will more than reduce your work week by 24 hours. Like I could guarantee 1 to 2 days of free time after going through my training program, because there's a lot of productivity stuff in there. It's pretty insane. Okay, so now let's do this. This is a new video about a dog putting his baby puppy next to sleeping human babies. Cute security camera footage. He's like, I'm ready to market this. I'm like, I gotta put you in touch with my agent. Mama dog tucks her pup swim with the babies. This is the kind of babysitter money can't buy. That's cute. Dog drops puppy off at nap time. Daycare just went full time. Security camera catches dog's bedtime routine. Some parents read books. This one delivers puppies. That's cute. Puppy right about honestly safer than baby. Does gently. I know a lot of moms would be like so against it, and I totally get it, but that's okay because this is viral. We don't need this to post on LinkedIn. Okay, I'm not gonna think too hard on this. Dog security. That's pretty much it. We will classify this as entertainment, and we will post this 21 right now. Well, actually, no, not right now. This is going to be for tomorrow. And we're going to do tomorrow at 6 a.m. John, 6 a.m.? Yes, 6 a.m. 6 a.m. tomorrow, schedule. It's passing through. You're on it. I appreciate you, Joseph. Thank you so much. Welcome, everyone. If you guys are just following, right now we are creating AI viral videos using VEO3. You guys are watching my behind the scene process of how I create viral videos. One of these videos possibly could get up to 35,000 views. So it's a lot better than the views that I'm getting. So now, okay, we did one. Okay. And they're fun creative challenges. So now we just knocked out that one, which was here. So again, why are we creating these videos? Out of all the things we could create, this video has 10 million likes. That's not even the plays. That's 10 million likes. So if it's getting 10 million likes, why not 10 million impressions would look great. Or why not get 10 million impressions on your content? So, and we didn't just download and repurpose too, because a lot of people, they'll get, a lot of lazy people will just download and then they'll repurpose. I'm Dr. AI, so And also, this is for me practicing my AI skills because I want to get really good. Like you got to put 10,000 hours into the tools, maybe 1,000 hours because they're like so good. But still, like I'm trying to get 1,000 hours of reps of creating AI video in. So that's pretty much I've set a daily challenge where every day I'm just publishing at least one video. But right now it's so easy that I'm publishing 7 AI videos a day. So I like that output. It's doing great for my analytics and views and all that. So that's pretty much the whole workshop kind of thing we're going to tonight. So you guys are just watching behind the scenes of pretty much the whole process. Okay, that was pretty easy. Let's do another one. So now, and I'll save this prompt here because if it goes viral, because this is a new genre, I want to replicate it. I want to do more in this series. So I have a viral V3 video thing, 2,100 a month for what? Digital King. Let me know. Let me know. So in here, I have all my viral videos. And then I also have, is that the JSON prompt that actually goes viral? Yes, I could save all the JSON prompts too. So if I want to replicate a series in the future, that's basically what I'm doing here. So that's why we're going to call this one dog security camera sleeping baby. Nice. That way we save the prompt because basically I don't want to go to I don't want to search GenSpark for this prompt basically because searching GenSpark is like next to impossible. You're better off finding your significant other than trying to find a previous conversation in GenSpark. So sorry. Hey Megan, welcome. We just completed our first AI video clone using VEO3. Ho 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 ho. I know, it's not the AI models that you're looking for. And then King, yeah, let's see. That's good. Gold, 7 videos a day. Jazzy. Gold, 2,100. Contrarian. Cool. Just passing through the comments. Okay, cool. So we're going to challenge ourselves. And we did it in first go, so not bad. So we definitely want to save our work. And Jack Sparrow. I just want to make a montage of that later. So okay, so now we're gonna start over. We're gonna do another video, and we're gonna challenge ourselves with a new challenge. This video has 1.6 or has 7 million. That's decent. There's something there. It's beautiful. Oh, okay. We didn't need. Wait. Shoot. Hold on. No, that was not the video. Hold on. Wait. Oh, wait. I thought it was the video. Okay, there's no music. I was also curious to see like, is there music? Because then I got to clone the music too. I'm going to see if I can host it at the chamber. Nice. Let's see. Don't make any crazy plans right now, Digital King. We'll meet. We'll talk. No worries, and we'll go from there. Let's see. So now we're gonna do more. So everything starts with inspiration. I troll or doom scroll, whatever, Instagram and TikTok, just like everyone else. And I'm trying to look for videos that are trying to get more than 1 million. That's my main thing. So I like this one. Really dark. But nah, I'm gonna try another one. I want something. So let's archive that one. Archive Jack. So right now we're just looking for inspiration. 400,000 likes. No. Oops. This one. I don't name them. We did this one. This one did great. We're gonna name this one Dog Sleeping Baby. Dog Sleeping Baby. What's this one? Oh, this stuff. 1,000 likes. Not worth it. Wait, hold on. I feel like it got a ton more other views though. Let's see. I feel like that got more views though. Maybe I could be mistaken. Nope, nothing there. Okay, let's go back. Remember, it has to be at least 1 million views or more. Oh, beautiful. Perfect. I don't really care what the video is much per se, but I want 3 million likes. That's just likes. I like that. Okay, let's work with this one. So let's get this one up. Okay, we're going to go to GenSpark. Start with GenSpark. We're going to go to the drive so we could download. This is optional. This is just so I could get a real clean version of the frames without any, like, the play symbol in the middle, basically. Thank you for the follow, Maria. Welcome to the chat. We are creating AI viral videos. You're getting a masterclass right now. Cool. So, all right. Okay, then we're gonna download that. Okay, we're gonna open it in VLC. And we're going to see, there's our video. It's got music. We'll have to get the music too. Oh, pretty basic. I like it. Pretty simple. Okay, this is going to be a fun one. And then we're going to change it. We're going to remix it. We're going to give it we're going to clone. Oh, you know what? We should remix these. That way we'll get double for our money, basically. Sorry, I'm just thinking about that. Okay, that's fine. Let's go now to ChatGPT. Let's now write the prompt. Let's move that over here. And we're going to say, new video to create a new, completely new JSON file, similar to what you created in the previous one. That was a good framework. And again, I'm going to upload screenshots for inspiration, and I want you to identify every main element in the photo so that you can describe them perfectly in JSON, so that we can again send this to an AI video generator to create a 9-second video, actually 8-second video, inspired from this one. So, and then instead of, well, we'll do sunflowers starting off as the main theme. Cool. So now let me get some frames. Cool. Can you use Suno for music? I could use Suno. Actually, I have an 11 Labs subscription, so theoretically, I could use 11 Labs, and we'll try that. I'm down to try that out. Okay, all it's doing is just slowly panning. Period. Basically, the whole sequence is the camera is slowly panning to the left, and then you got birds flying in the background, and that's pretty much the whole video, is just a slow pan to the right. Nice. We'll try 11 Labs for music. If you guys are enjoying this, put a number 1 in the chat to let me know you are watching. It kind of wakes up the algorithm too. The algorithm likes to fall asleep. Cool. So now we have our JSON. It's 8 seconds. Basically what we're looking for is we're looking for anything that's out of the ordinary. Saturated warm tones. Because sometimes it may add stuff. Like the music right here. We don't need the music. Remove the music. What else? Camera begins, sunflowers field. That looks good. That looks good. That looks good. How is it describing color grade, orange tones? Okay, so it's actually describing rough price. How much would 3 months of these subscriptions cost? Good question, Sleepwalker. So You got ChatGPT, which is basically, let's just do this real quick. So you guys, I love math. I love mathin'. Let's math. Let's do some math real quick. So you got ChatGPT, basically. But you don't need ChatGPT for this, basically. You can use any large language model, basically, for the stuff I'm doing right now. I just have a custom GPT that's really designed for this, but you can use any. You can use, like, if you want free, Google AI Studio is completely free, and you get equivalent. ChatGPT is getting dumber over time. Wish I could say better. But ChatGPT is 20. GenSpark is 25. 26 if you round up. VEO3 is going to cost you $40. Yeah, about $40. You have I think it's $20 a month plan, plus you're going to spend another another $20 for more credits, basically. Something like that. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so $86 basically. So $100 to just produce, geez, I don't know how many I'm producing. Let's average 2 a day, give or take. I don't know how much that equates to per se. So roughly something like that, give or take. Let's see. So remove the music. I think that's the only thing I want removed from this. Cool. So now we'll get a new JSON and we'll pop this in. Oh yeah. And then, by the way, GenSpark, where's my credits? 66224. 66224. So 66, what is that? 224. So I only spent 40 credits on a VEO3 video. Really? 40 credits? Did I do that right? Yeah, 40 credits for 40 credits, but they're giving me 10,000. So $26. Divide that by 10,000 credits. That's pretty economical. Not by much, but yeah. I was just thinking GenSpark basically using VEO3, it's not that much more expensive than Flow, basically. I'm going to spend 40 credits anyways. Ooh, can you do a reference image? Yeah. Okay, let's get the prompt too. Copy. Paste. This one we need vertical. Give me the whole 10 seconds. Do not adjust my prompt. Image to video. And we uploaded an image. Unless we have to upload it here, maybe. Shoot, hold on. Cut. Upload. Let me get a screenshot real quick. Because now we're going to test. We were doing the whole thing through JSON, basically, or like JSON. Now we'll add a reference image. Let's try that. Yeah, it does the same thing, so it really doesn't matter. Interesting. Here, is that everything? Oh, what's this character? Oops. Devil's in the details. 9 by 16, 5 to 10, don't change the prompt, and go. Cool. So now we're going to be using VEO3 in GenSpark. Can't stop me now, just join. He's like, what? You're still telling them about GenSpark secrets? It's like, yes. You're welcome, Sleepwalker. Great question. Now we have our video. Let's see how far or how close we get to the original. Remember, this is the original. This is what we're trying to get to. That's what we're trying to model or replicate using our own workflow. We're not downloading and repurposing. That's cheating. Here we're actually test because basically what we're also doing is we're just testing our VO3 skills. I just want to see like how much can I, because then I can start making anything I want. And start making more complex stuff coming up. But you gotta put in the reps. You gotta get through the workflow. You gotta. That's why I like these creative challenges, because they force me to. Each one's different, basically. Each one has a different element. Each one has a different prompt, different style of video, and then you can remix it. I think I'm gonna put myself in it, basically. I could put myself in the videos. That would be pretty funny. Actually, I think we will right now. And then done. Nice. That was too easy. Okay, so let's download this. We're gonna go to CapCut. I'm just gonna use the same audio, basically. Simple. I'm just gonna do this with this audio. The original's on top, so we're just gonna grab the audio, extract audio. Mine is this one. This is mine, because mine has green grass and more birds, basically. And if we play, oh, if we mute, nice. Even got a little fade out. Nice. Very nice. Okay, let's export this. Sunflower sunset. You know. Okay, let's go to metrical. And boom, we're at like roughly 20 minutes, 25 minutes, give or take, a new video. That's like production time, very down, like very lean, very simple, and actually economical, because that GenSpark just cost me 65804. 65. Oh, we lost a ton of credits actually. 65804. Now we're at 65804. So that means we were 66224 minus 65804. 420. So we burned about 420 credits. So is it 40 credits or is it 400 credits? We're gonna double check this, because I am curious to know like how many credits, the cost per video. Basically, we're getting everything done in one shot. Let's now go to Nano Banana and let's have some fun with this prompt, because that was just too easy. So now we're gonna get some more value out of this. What's the boo? Let's go to my, do I have a prompt generator? Okay. This video is about sunflowers, and it's just this video is about sunflowers and just a beautiful sunset. No, Digital King is lost. Sunflowers starting to sunset. Even flowers know when it's golden hour. Sure. We'll just use one of these. Cool. Now, I got this, but how you pulled it all together, amazing. I know, it's because it's not, what you're learning is not the tools. You're learning someone who's building workflows. That's something different. Using multiple tools in a specific sequence. Because some people are like VO3, they'll just throw text and it doesn't do what you want. You're seeing me use ChatGPT. You're seeing me use also for the prompts too. I'm writing in JSON. These are great. This is, and then let's take this. Let's just pump this out. Oh, you guys got to remind me too that this is not for today. This is for content for tomorrow. Sunset, sunflowers. That looks all good. I'm gonna put this in LinkedIn so all the people working a 9 to 5 in a cubicle can see this and have some hope to leave their cubicle, quit their 9 to 5, and learn AI. Is my Facebook stuff posting too? I was having issues with like Facebook posting, so I hope my stuff is going to Facebook now. That's dope. Okay, let's publish this and move on to the next one. 43, 44. You guys are getting a VO3 masterclass literally right now. Like, we are ripping out VO3 viral video 3 videos in 20 minutes. Like, if you guys are doing this, put a number 1 in the chat. It just wakes up the algorithm. Again, I appreciate it. Queen Sheba is like, oh my gosh, that looks so beautiful. Look at what we created. This is it. And it's a pixel. Now we're gonna have fun with it. We're gonna remix this right now. That's where the fun begins. The fun begins in remixing now, like a DJ. You can tell mine has green grass. Good question, Yaz. It's metrical, but I do not recommend metrical. I'm gonna leave metrical, so do not get metrical. I know I'm here. I'm like, do not, because once my subscription's up, use buffer or blotato. You have option 1. See, I don't gatekeep. I give you guys all the sauce. You can use blotato, which I'm gonna try out. Blotato's great, Sabrina Romanoff. And then if also too, next after that is buffer. Buffer is so simple. I love buffer. I miss buffer. Buffer was quick and fast and simple. Metrical has that extra nonsense that you don't need. Okay, so we could close some of these tabs. You see me use Canva. We haven't used my flow because I'm low on credits here. I only have 160, so I don't want to burn those 160 because those are more expensive in flow, basically. Where else are you streaming? I'm streaming on TikTok and YouTube right now. Those are the only platforms I'm streaming. And I go live every day at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you guys are enjoying this, just follow. Every day I go live and I teach you guys AI. And if you want to get serious, I have courses, trainings, certification programs. I mean, simplest thing is just join the community. Join Dr. AI Academy. That's where we have literally 20 workshops every single week for students. So highly recommend. Join the AI community. Free 7-day trial. What, John? Did you just say free 7-day trial? Yeah. Come in for 7 days, completely free, full access to everything. We have over 100 lessons, and this is what we're doing every single week. So technically what we're doing is like what stuff we'll do on Wednesday, create images and videos to practice. Now, of course, we're teaching you how to use it for your business as a skill set, how to monetize it. Excuse me. So right now, I'm just kind of demoing. I'm just doing my content right now, basically. So let's remix this one. So I highly recommend 7-day trial, full free. We need to remix this, and we're going to remix this with Nano Banana. Actually, we're going to go. Actually, yeah, let's do AI Studio. I want this view. Wait, an off-road for monster truck? Monster truck. Yeah, let's put a monster truck in there doing donuts. That's a remix. That looks good. Oh, that's a cool one. Ooh. Nice. That looks dope. Let's copy this. Let's go nano. Let's say first, remove the background from the monster truck so it's just the monster truck. So basically, Nano Banana is Photoshop, is like the best way to think about it. It's 10 out here. Please get them likes up to 10K. Only 2,000 likes. Yo, people charge for VO3 courses teaching you how to create video, and they won't even teach you how to do viral videos. Hit them like button, share it with your friends. Because people got to learn how to do AI. The whole quote is basically adapt or die. It's like you have to learn how to do AI and anything in your video, in your work life. So there we go. Perfect. Now put that monster truck in this field doing donuts. And then let's put that in the oven. Cool. So now we did 2 moves. So you want to think of it like chess in 2 moves, which is actually dope. David, he's like, yo, where's David Carter? David Carter, you got to get in here. Where's David? Tell David to hurry up. He's missing all the sauce. There we go. King of Tap activating. Uh-oh. Joe's coming in hot. Oh, nice. And now... oh, this is going to be dope. I think we need VO3 for this to work. This is going to be dope. This is where you have fun. This is where you show your creativity, is remixing work. A great artist, was it? A horrible artist copies, a great artist steals. Is that it or something like that? I forgot what that quote is. Yeah, download this. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's like destroy. Look at that. Look at that. This is why, 1, you want to stay up to date with AI because we've been using Nano Banana for months. 2, this is the power of using the right AI tool. You can't do this with ChatGPT. So we're using Nano Banana. Nano Banana is basically Photoshop. 3, now let's put this in a video and make this fucking go viral. Oh man, I know exactly where. Okay. So we need to go back to the ChatGPT conversation and we're going to remix it. Okay, so we're going to say the description now is the same sunflower scene, same thing. And it starts off exactly the same with a slow pan. Then it transitions to a monster truck coming in from the right-hand side doing donuts in the sunflower forest. Has to look hyper realistic and is tearing up the sunflower seeds or sunflower ground. Like the image. So now we're going to add that, and we're going to add our new image, which is going to be this one. So it has a reference. Y'all, they don't teach you this in any, like, even the advanced courses and stuff like that. Like, they're not giving you the sauce, the secrets. By the way, this video won't be posted on YouTube or, like, saved. So if you guys are watching, you guys are getting a sneak peek. Only because you're attending. So hit that like button, hit that plus. We're trying to get to 10,000 likes. Let's go, team. We're teaching you how to create AI viral videos for free. Everyone else is just a talking head doing nonsense. This is $10,000 skills. Like, you can literally do small videos for small businesses. Okay, now we need to go to VO3. We can't do this in GenSpark for this because it has a before and after frame. So basically, we're going to do a new project. We're going to choose frames. And now, this is going to be a first time for me. We're going to add an opening shot. Oh. Okay, we got to do, well, okay, I got to get it from my desktop. Sorry. Desktop is for frame 1. There we go. I have so many files on my computer. I really got to back it up. I'm even running out of storage on my computer. Quick plug, join the AI community so you can learn how to do this and monetize it. Okay, next one is going to be the ending frame, which is going to be the one from the downloads, which is from Nano Banana. Look at that. And then crop and save. So now we have your before and after frame. Oh, this is going to be dope. And as long as the prompt's looking good. Yeah, looks good. Let's do, well, you know what? Let's be conservative. Well, I'm never conservative in this. VO3 fast. Why is VO3 fast 10 credits? Wait a minute. Am I missing something? Wait a minute. Am I missing something? VO3 credits used to be 20. Like, that used to say 20, right? Am I losing my mind? That used to say 20 credits. Now it's 10 credits? Are they feeling sad that I'm burning so many credits? They're like, yo, let's give this homie a discount. He's obviously pumping out content promoting it. Like, hook me up. Okay. Oh, no. Switch to... Wait. I don't want to switch the landscape. Fine. Am I missing? What? Wait, this video feature isn't supported on VO3 fast. Switch to VO2 fast. Whatever. Maybe? Let's see. This means I have to crop it, but it's not that bad. Yeah, I think this is going to work. I feel really good about this. This is going to be dope. This is a remix. Now we're getting crazy with remixes. Nice, nice, nice. Kind of waiting patiently. Yeah, yours still says 20 credit. Am I like? That's why I'm like, what's up with that? And this, well, VO2. Let's do VO3 fast. Oh, now it says VO3 fast 20. Okay, so it was a glitch. It was just a glitch. It is still 20. Hey. It's because we went to VO2. There's something there. America. Bah, bah. I think there's something there. I could salvage this. I guess that was this in pros production. So let's upscale this. Download this. I could salvage that. Because we're if some sound effects would be perfect, and then we're golden. It's gonna sell this. Upscaling costs 0. Nice, nice, nice. And then while that is there, we need to get some sound effects. Actually, and we're gonna use 11 labs. Actually, yeah, 11 labs for this. Actually, no, we're gonna use OBS. Cause it's free. I know. Okay, let me get OBS. OBS allows you to record your screen completely for free. 14K, how many more taps do you want? 14K, holy snap. Joseph, I hope you're not like a tap spammer kind of thing. Like, just double checking. I just want to make sure you're truly interested in AI, because I don't need the likes. I'm like, I just want people that are engaged in AI, because this is the secret sauce. Okay, so we need first some peaceful birds, nature, sound. We need a sound effects. We need 2 sound effects basically. Let's say this. Perfect. So let's go for this. We only need roughly There we go. Quiet on set. Oh. Okay. Okay. So I got 35 seconds of that sound. We could get rid of YouTube, or then let's do this. Because we kind of like, we're basically building as we go. Because this is like, this is kind of funny. Okay, this was the old. Do we want the original music? Yeah, it's going to start off the same and then just go right into chaos. So we're going to delete that. We're going to add. Oh, I don't think we downloaded VEO3. We haven't downloaded it yet. There's our new one. Let's go back to here. Cool. Now we're going to stitch our video together right here. You guys are watching the magic. I know some people are like, it's not automated or stuff like that. You can't automate greatness. I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. That's not what I mean. Automated stuff, you can't do stuff like this because trends change so much. Okay, let's see if this works. I'm at level 1.4. Appreciate it, Joseph. Welcome to the chat. Let me know your AI goals. What are you interested in AI? Cool. So we actually could just rip the sound from here. It's a little too extra for production. Extract the audio. Put that right there. Q and W are shortcut keys. I want to make commercials for small businesses. Nice. I mean, basically the skill sets, they'll pay you for stuff like this. Cool. And then it comes in right here. So we're going to add audio. There must be a way. Oh, I know how. Yeah, so then let's go to keynote the volume. And then when we move it to here, I want it to be, yeah, about right there. That's good. Oh, that's dope. I didn't know how to do that. Those are keyframes. They're when you click on the audio right here, these are keyframes. So keyframes set if you want the audio full, low, and then you can set moments that it would just low, so it kind of fades out. That's dope. That's exactly what I wanted. Now if I can only figure out fades, that would be next. Because here we need monster truck music. So let's get here monster truck sound. I think this one's going to be perfect. Oh boy. Has a crowd, so not down for the crowd. Works. Nice. That's a good one. Oh, hold on. OBS decided to crap out. Okay, hold on. OBS kind of crapped out. I know I should use 11 Labs, but I'm too lazy right now. This is free and simple. Okay. There we go. Try that again. I think we could get... Yeah, much better. Now we're starting to get some music, but I think that should be good enough. Okay, let's get some monster... Oh, shoot. Get created here. Okay, here's the monster truck video. And then from here, we're going to extract the audio. Perfect. Get rid of the video. Bring this down. Clip it here. Listen to it here. Actually, we need it to come in about here. So about there. Mark. See these little blue marks right there? If you press the letter M on your keyboard, M puts a marker so that this will just nicely snap exactly where you want it. Pro tip. You guys are getting a lot of pro tips. Okay, so then we'll just snap this here. And then I think we can also keyframe this. So let's fade this in. So volume can be low. Keyframe. And then volume comes in about here. And then keyframes here. And I think that will... Not bad. Okay, there's something there. Okay, hold on. We gotta just fine tune the sound and stuff. So hold on. Let's see. What's missing? What's that sound? Hold on. Let's try that again. What is that? Weird. There's no other... I'll clip that out. Whatever. Okay, you're a little late when you come in. Come in hot. There we go. Nice. Okay, that's decent. Okay, and then here, here, and then now we need some music. We will go to 11 Labs now for this. Thanks for locking me in. Thanks for connecting. Nice. Okay, let's get into 11 Labs. Locking in. Nice. Okay. Let's see. Now we'll get to 11 Labs and some music with just in 3 sentences, how would you describe in 3 sentences Come on. Oh, in 3 sentences, how would you describe why is test 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 test? Like, why is none of my AI voice tools working right now? Okay, here we go. I want you to describe in like 2 sentences the song America, blup, yeah, do 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 do. If it gets that, that's gonna be funny. Okay, let's go. This will give me just a prompt for a song. I haven't made anything with music wise in that's talk about our world. So there's like let's describe it. So I could put in an AI tool and oh wow, 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 wow. Really? 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 That's a whole prompt. Will it take that whole prompt? Okay. Variants, sure. Auto duration. I don't need it that long. I just need like 30 seconds. Yeah, 30 seconds is dope. Instrumental. Yeah, well, no. Yeah, instrumental. Because I think that just means vocal off, right? And then generate. Oh, snap. We just unlocked music mode in 11 Labs. This is dope. This is dope. Okay. And it made my oh, it's look at what it's doing. It's making the song. That's wild. What? What? That is so wild. Okay, wait. Let's try this. No, I don't like it. Why is it off? Hmm. That actually didn't work. Do it. Do I get two variations though? Hold on. Don't I get two variations? Yeah, there's variation 1, variation 2. Dope. Oh, I like that better. I like YouTube. Hold on. There's no way I monetize this YouTube video, anyways. Okay. 11 Labs made me several jingles for my clients, words and all. I definitely agree, but I want a different style. I want something like this. I like this Kill Switch Engage. I used to listen to them back in the day. Um, so let me find one of these songs. Yeah. Yep. Okay. How do we clone a song now? Okay. Copy this. That's exactly what I want. Okay, we don't need this. Don't need this. I want a metal song just like that. How do we get that? Okay. John's gonna make an album. So I think if I go to Google Gemini, I think Google Gemini will analyze the song for free. Hold on. You are an expert audio. You are. God dang it. You're an audio engineer that can analyze any song, and also a prompt engineer that can reverse engineer any song into a descriptive prompt for another large language model to generate a very similar song. So I'm going to paste a URL from a YouTube video, and I want you to generate the prompt that describes every element of it, and then I could put that into another model to replicate another song similar like that. Okay. I definitely know Suno will do it. I just don't want another subscription right now. How much is Suno right now? Suno price. I know that if they have a free plan, we'll jump in. I think this is probably a good time just to start the Suno trend. Because I have 11 lamps. What's the pricing? What do you get for free? Or they give you like some free 50 credits. I could create 10 songs. Wait, 10 songs daily? What? Upload up to 1 minute of audio. That's really all I need. Wait, in the pro plan, $6. I can make 500 songs. Sign up. Sign up. Let's sign up. You're right. Let's go. Okay, let me create an account. We're gonna use. I don't want a phone number. Fine. We'll just use Gmail. Simple. And then what do we got here? Interesting. So, without the vocals. It's like I want to recreate it, but without the vocals. And then I'm logging into Suno right now. Okay, quick plug. Sign up for the AI community. This is where you meet entrepreneurs that are playing with these tools every single day. We meet 5 days a week. Come and play with AI. Inside the AI community, you can see what members are actually building with AI, how to monetize AI, all that fun stuff. Okay, so can I just paste a YouTube video link? Can I be super lazy? Will you accept URLs? Okay, it's generating songs, but I don't think it's that song. I don't think it did it. No, definitely not. Okay, so hold on. So we gotta go. Really extensive user. That doesn't really tell me the style. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, whoa, oh, okay. Oh wow, hold on. I missed a whole lot. Okay. Can't. Wow. Can I put all that in 11 labs? Under 2,000 characters. Okay. Give me this in less than 2,000 characters. Okay. You know, Apple's voice to text sucks. Give me this, but in 2,000 characters or less. Oh, wait, you're shushing me. Okay, no, cool. I'm just running out of disk space. That's all. Okay, so let's close some stuff here. Let's get rid of this guy. Let's get rid of this guy. We are not there. We're remixing this one. I may rip through a few more, so definitely leave that open. We don't need Higgs. We have to close some stuff. We need some resources. We have too many tabs open. Okay. Okay, and then... Okay, so here's something. What MacBook do we have? I have a MacBook Pro, 16 gigabytes. I think it's like an M1. I think this is... Okay, perfect. This is better. Let's try this. Okay, it's in. Let's see how 11 Labs does. And then can we just give this to Suno too? We're going to compare Suno versus 11 Labs. Which one should you get? They both have the same exact prompt. How do I generate new stuff? Instrumental. Where's the run button? Do you guys see a button that says run? Just maybe start over. Yes, create my song. Oh, it's because I have every window open right now. Cool. Okay, hold on. I'm just closing a lot of stuff. Okay. I think I freed up some. Okay, so now, can I just paste that? Can I let's see. Is this new workspace? See if we could create it. Just so if I don't get you right, I think you are not here for actually learning, but just spamming. Appreciate the likes, but you're right. I think Joseph was just spamming likes. Use Gemini Cloud just to have it away, right? I agree. Wow, it still works perfect. Yeah, this thing's old. Oh, not old, but he's ancient. Okay, so did I just already run out of credits? No, I have 40 credits. Why? Well, so much for that. I just asked it for one song. Fine, I'm not. I got 11 lab credits I want to burn right now anyway, so here we go. Let's see. This song is sick, actually. Dang it, now I gotta buy music subscriptions now. Man, now I'm gonna buy everything. Yeah, we're using AI to make the song. This is the first. I like this. I really like this song. Dang it! Now I'm gonna create whole album stuff. Okay, cool. I love this. How did we do this? Sick. I think I'm gonna wake up to this. This is my morning alarm. Like. Okay. It's a whole 4-minute song. Holy shnikes. That is quite long. That's not bad. I'm going to have to save that somewhere. Do Howard, not Jesse. Who's the. Shoot. Because I'm like, do Howard. What's. Former vocalist is Howard John. Oh, man. There we go. Now we know who's a longtime singer. Thank you. Edward, you just saved me. Because it's been so long. It's literally been so long since I've listened to them. I'm like, yo, I want to replicate. So let's do. So the prompt is write lyrics and vocals similar to Howard Jones from Killswitch Engage about AI and those with AI skills are taking over the world. Let's see if it would generate. Your prompt has violated our terms of service. Okay, I guess it because it has the word KILL. That's okay. No, I'm gonna just take. Unless their terms of service won't allow you to put people's names. Okay, that's why. They won't allow you, so I have to describe Howard Jones, so I could get around that. I want you to describe Howard Jones' voice from Killswitch Engage without using his name, and I want you to add all the details so that a voice AI bot could clone it. Of generate a powerful baritone male vocalist that transition raw. Okay, cool. That looks cool. Oh wow, vocal characteristics. Oh wow, oh whoa. Gritty, polished, warm. Even has a tone. Excellent. Okay, let's do this. So write lyrics and use a voice like this. Shoot, I didn't put the link too. I feel like I'm burning a ton of credits in 11 Labs. I don't know about you, but I'm watching that number drop pretty a lot. Dun, dun, dun. Anyways, that worked for our for this, but let's see if we get vocals. I'm curious if it will do vocals. Oh, look at all these. 17K. Now 26. Definitely growing. Thank you for all the likes. I hope you guys are enjoying a tutorial on how to create viral videos using VEO3. Now we're in the advanced course where now we're creating custom songs. Suno, I will, once I have to cancel something before that's my rule. I was like, I gotta cancel something before I get a whole new subscription, basically. Um, okay, we got our videos. All right, here we go. You guys ready? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it go. Oh wait, did it stop? Oh, it is going. Yeah. Wait for it. It's trying to do the final vocals. Right? Oh yeah, it's generated. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. It's moving. It's moving. You're tapping, but it's not working. Did they disable the tap? They're like, we can't get you two-way taps. You're sharing too many secrets. Sharing too many AI secrets. Oh, I think it's done. Okay, let's check it out. 109. That's wild. AI music now. This is all AI music. He has a more higher pitched tone though. I'm looking for maybe I do want the other dude. Shoot. I want the other dude. Let's see. I like the other guy's voice. That's cool. I don't want to burn any more credits. I'm gonna do something else with this. I need to get back. So we just now. Can we do this? Do this? Wait, I wanna same, but instead for what was the other guy's name? Was that the right guy? Yeah, 11 labs credit was 109,000. Now it's 74. Right? That's a ton of credits for just experimenting. Like, I'm gonna burn all my credits just for experimenting. Yeah, I wanted Jesse instead of Howard. Now I'm sad. You made me burn 20,000. I'm just kidding. It's all experimentation at the end of the day. We're all learning. I'm just trying to press buttons and see what it does. Um, but that, I mean, okay, let's just. Mm, actually, because wait, where's that setting that you can change like I don't think we need a 4 minute song. I think we could get we can do we need to start new? Okay, start a new project maybe. I think we could burn those credits. Yeah. Duration, I just need 30 seconds. That's all. Give me two variants. They're kind of dicks. Oh, bingo. Cost. Wait, you're gonna charge me 1,500 credits and I haven't even put a prompt in? I just selected 30 seconds. So what's 72,000 divided by 1,500, let's say? That means I could generate 48 30-second songs. Did I do the math right? That doesn't make. These are expensive. This music stuff is expensive. Go to auto and select 8 seconds. Custom. There we go. Can we do 8? Oh wait, 008. Oh yeah, 08. No, 10 seconds is the minimum. Good question. Good question though. Can't do 9 seconds. No. It's gotta be 10 seconds or less. Okay, that's cool. I only want 30 seconds more or less. Cool. Okay, well, I'm not gonna worry about this because music is a whole different. We really just need a sound effect for this, or just like metal music for this, and we got pretty close. Man, if Dara comes into the chat, I gotta tell Dara. I see her ads. Let's see. Okay, so let's download the last one. Was it this one? I think it's this one. Okay, perfect. So now, okay, perfect. That's perfect. Where's the song though? Dang it, insufficient space. I'm running out. Running out of space. Can I close anything? Let me see if there are. Oh, yeah, there's a ton of stuff. Hold on. Let me do a quick purge from memory. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna purge some stuff from memory so that I get a little free space. Okay, that should do it. Hopefully that doesn't delete anything important, which I don't think it does. Okay, cool. Everything's good. So now, that should free me up a lot of space. See, if you guys join the ad community, I can afford a better laptop so I can do better demos and show you guys better workflows a little bit faster instead of getting this insufficient space thing. So we're going to take this and we're going to start it. Same thing. We learned about something. We learned a lot of new things today. Oops. We learned about okay, we're gonna start keyframe here, and then about here, keyframe back, and now we have a nice transition. What happened to all my sound? Oh, I just. Good night. Nice. Okay, so the audio's over. Okay, let's try this. Slow that a little. Okay. Okay. Okay, we just need to sync for the music actually. Hold on. Okay, here we need to. I gotta fix the audio real quick. So this will just take 2 seconds. That's gonna be the full audio. Probably about here. We're going to mark and drop it low. Perfect. We're gonna clip it here and then we're gonna bring this whole thing. Oh man, I'm getting really good at this. Really good at this, about right there. Oh, look at that. Perfect. And it's gotta drop right there. Okay, it just has to be a little more aggressive. Okay, this has to be more aggressive down. She's still seeing here. So this needs to come in because we start seeing it here. So she needs to start here for that. And then actually here's where we need to drop this guy down. Oh wait, we need mark that there. There we go. Done. There we go. Okay, and then we can get rid of the birds here. Oops. Cool. And then clip it there. And I think that's our video, basically. Let's try it again. Okay, that works. Let's export. Peaceful Day Monster Truck Remix. Okay. I think we could close that, save some resources. Close that, save some resources. And then here, take a look again. This is our final one. It needs a slow zoom. Sorry. There's nothing going on in the first 2 seconds, so it's super boring. So plus I feel like, oh wait, I can handle it through scale here, and then I could get to about, where does the, here, and then mark, and then here we can zoom in. Shoot. Maybe also, is that gonna work? No, it's not gonna work. Darn it. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Cause it's not fully cropped. That's why. I'm debating. Yeah, we're gonna use do. We gotta do a quick new one. I know why. In order for you gotta change the aspect ratio basically from the original, because the original is horizontal. That's why. See if we change ratio here, this is gonna work. Trust. Make that max. Let's move it over. Right. We can just pop it out just a little bit. Right? Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, and then that's the whole thing. Yeah, export. Delete me. Cool. And then exit out. Go back to the original. And replace the original with this one. Delete me. Now you can do, oh wait, you do your ratio. Okay, cool, right? And then here is where you can add your scale there. And then you could zoom in about here. And then zoom in a little bit. Then, yep, there's your, see, now you got your zoom. Not me wilding out on social media. Hey. Sorry, I've been deep in the build. There's the zoom. Let's just see that again one more time. It needed to be done. It was boring in the first 2 seconds. You missed all my texts. All the stuff. Go back, make it bigger, drag it scale. Yeah. Simple. It gets around. It's good enough. Okay, so now this is called Peaceful Day Monster Truck. And then delete that one. Cool. Reminds me of like 90s video games. Okay, so now let's post it. Here. I think we still have something. Sunflowers. Just sunflowers in a sunset. Nothing fancy. And then chaos comes in. Nice. And then we'll just put this on tags. VEO3, VEO3, sunset, sunflowers, monster trucks. That is purely novel. Okay, and then should this go on LinkedIn? I don't care. Okay, now I'll take it off LinkedIn because no one cares about it. Okay, so now 8:45. Oh, remember, you guys gotta remind me. This is going out tomorrow. So this is tomorrow at 7 a.m. What if I start loading them every hour? A new video comes out. That's too much. Well, technically, if you're doing 7 videos a day, every hour, technically you can. That's super obsessive, but theoretically. Plus, I don't want to spend that. I'm already like almost 3 hours into this right now. So, do it. Do it. What program are you using to put the clips together? Oh, CapCut. That's pretty much it. Now, that was way too much time on that one, but I think that's a really good remix. Hermosi does 100 a day. Well, you know, that's what we gotta. So now we're gonna go back through. We're gonna get back to reps because I think this will get us at. I think our daily quota right now is at 3, or we're technically doing tomorrow's quota because we already launched today's. So technically, all the videos are done for today. So we have 2 for tomorrow. We're gonna do a little more rapid fire. Shoot, did we already post the sunset one? I guess we did. Oh yeah. Well, shoot, that was supposed to be for tomorrow. Bummer. Okay. Doesn't matter. All the monkey and stuff, the other ones that we just published, they're already doing really good. Look at that. Look at that. My little. You guys recommended the monkey, koala, lamb, and the seal. Like, that was all your work last night. Last night, you guys went on a tear and recommended those animals. So, those are doing good. And just within, we're only like 2, let's round it 3 hours, let's call it. The koala's great. Yeah, these are going to do good. It looks like the seal and the lamb people really like the most. Panda's there too. Yeah, we did. Panda better be there. Let's go to shorts. Oh wow, look at those. Look at those. And then we should have. There's Panda. So we have Panda, we have Bunny, we have Lamb, Koala, Monkey, and let's just do some rapid fire some of these so you guys can see these real quick. Because I just want to view them too. Boom, Panda. They're everywhere. They're on TikTok, Instagram, all social media channels um, except LinkedIn. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, see, that's my unique style. That's the remix. You always got to remix stuff. That way, you know, if anyone does a top hat, no one's done a top hat. I'm the only one who's done a top hat so far. So once you see that, I'm like, yay. Dope. Nice. That's the lamb. That's a great one. That's awesome. Nice. All right. Okay. Ooh, one more. Monkey. Drunk monkey. And he's drunk. It's hard. That hit is like ouch. Jesus. That one's doing good. Okay, cool. So those are all they're all in the oven. Sundays are real slow days, surprisingly. Sunday nights actually pick up, but like Saturday night and Sundays are like real slow, so it's gonna pick up a lot more. I'll show you what it does for the analytics just because you guys are watching. So you're watching. This is the insight scoop. Look what it does. Boom. 70,000. That's why I'm doing viral shorts. That's why. That means all the content that I've created over the last 30 days, maybe let's round it 2,000 average. It just trumped everything I just did for the last 30 days. All my stuff is like barely 1,000, 1,000. I was like, I got to do something different. That's why I was like, if I keep creating content the same way I am, nothing's changed. So that's why it's like you always got to adapt or die or do something different. So I was like, let me experiment with shorts using VO3. And within 24 hours, basically brain rot. You've been making trash. Look at that. Boom. It's nice. Making brain rot. I know. But those are pretty good. You've got AMG, the G Wagon, the Q Puppy. So they're doing good. Now, yes, and it's all brain rot stuff. The music video we did yesterday is actually doing decent. That one's getting up there. Nice. Okay. Now, do I want to do another one? Nah, I'm gonna take a break. That was pretty good. Cool. So, highly recommend sign up for AI Community. That's where we go through a bunch of workshops. That's Tuesday through Sunday. We have a bunch of workshops on videos, apps, GenSpark. We're going to be starting the GenSpark series this week, which is super exciting. Monetization on Tuesday, AI image and videos on Wednesday, how to do apps and automation on Thursday, and then Friday is going to be GenSpark Day. That's going to be we're going to go through 4 weeks of GenSpark from beginner to advanced. GenSpark actually released some new features. Saturday, think of it like a catch-up day. And then, yeah, so that's going to be pretty much inside the AI community. Highly recommend, link in bio to join, and I go live every day at 6 p.m. and then you get a free 7-day trial for joining. So link in bio, simpletechskills.com, gets you a free trial. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for a bright early day. Have a great week, everyone. Relax. I shall catch you guys later. I'll see you guys online. You'll definitely be viewing my content.